Hey guys, what is up? And today I am with Nicole Taylor, my sister.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing shout outs part number 1 because I posted part number 2 and I was meant to post part number 1, but this is part number 1 now, so it's very confusing. Okay, so number 1 is Christopher Driver, my boyfriend, of course. Yes,
No.
Christopher Driver, my boyfriend. Number 2 is Nicole Taylor,
Yay.
of course,
That's all I mean.
because she's my sister. Number 3 is Amy Andrew, because she's my best friend. Number 4 is Ella Severin, because she's my best friend as well. Number 5 is Khalees Wilson, because she's my friend as well. Number 6 is Charlie Auld, she plays in my football team. Number 7 is Kate McQueen, she plays in my football team as well. Number 9 is Kate Wood, she plays in my football team as well. Number 10 is Romany, don't know her second name. Number 11 is Isla Tully, she plays in my football team as well. Just saying, I don't know Isla's second name, so yeah. Number 12 is Sky Duncan, she's my friend. Number 13 is my coach Chris, don't know his second name either. Number 14 is Alicia Kintobin, she is my friend. And for the last and final one is my Uncle Ben. He just came out of hospital and yeah, he's my uncle. Okay guys, that was the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed my top 15. Hopefully you enjoyed my top 15 name part things, shout outs, and yeah, I will see you all in the next video guys. Bye. And if Christopher, you're watching this, I love you.